Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to import SVG from Adobe Illustrator to Penpot. Okay, so first up, go ahead and open up your specific SVG. Now click on File right here at the top left. Click on Export. Now click on Export As. Okay, go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'm just going to go ahead and name this one as Bitcoin. Okay, and make sure the save as type is set to .svg. Now click on Export. Click on Export. Okay, and once it's exported, go ahead and open up your Penpot account. All right, now let's go ahead and open up a draft right here, just for example. Now, to upload your SVG, okay, for example, you're under a file like this one. Okay, here we have the SVG. You can just go ahead and drag and drop. All right, and as fast as that, here you have your SVG. Now you can go ahead and right click on it and to create component. Okay, so when you go ahead and go to your assets under components, okay, here we have Bitcoin, and you can actually manage your libraries right here and to add it. Okay, add this specific component, make sure that this one is published so that you can go ahead and use this specific SVG to other projects. All right, there you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.